found water.
We are pioneers in a new age. Where water costs money, here it is for free. Let's keep it that way.